Okay, again I'm sharing my screen. See, okay, this is a body part. Now read the chapter with me. Shomodeep, sit properly, be attentive. Okay, see, Arshi, see, my body. Now look at yourself. Everyone, now look at yourself. So my body. So here the boy is saying, here this boy is saying that it is the boy is here. It is, can you see the boy? I can see that this is the boy. Okay, so this is my body. The boy is saying this is his body. I have many parts in my body. The parts of our body are called organs. So, what are organs? Our body parts, also known as organs. 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 Organ means our body parts. Okay, not only a single. You can't ask me, ma'am, which is organ. All our body parts is known as organs. Organs means our body parts. When I look at myself in the mirror, if you look at yourself in the mirror, you see that you have what you have? One head and it has hair, two eyes, one nose, a mouth, two ears, a tongue, and teeth in my mouth. I know that I also have. Do you have? Students, do you have all this? Do you have two eyes? Pratyusha, sit properly. Two eyes, a nose, a mouth, two ears, a tongue, and teeth. Do you have? I have. I know that I have. If you have, check. Yes, I use this book. No need to show me your book. Okay, okay. Written. Good. So check. Do you have or not? Okay. Next. We will go to the next page. See. Skin. I also have a skin which covers my whole body. So skin cover our whole body. So skin which cover my whole body, and leaves, I have leaves on my face. Now look at this street bead box. We all have special fingerprint. It is different from other. Do you know fingerprints mean? Fingerprints mean the impression of our hand, impression of the hand that never match with other person handprint. All we have different fingerprints. Okay, now look at my hands and feet. These are the parts of body. The boy is saying, now look at this boy. The boy is saying the boy have two hands, two legs, five fingers in each hand. I have five toes. These are toes. These are called toes. Five toes in each foot. Toe. And I have two knees. These are knees. The boy is saying these are knees. This is fingers. And these are hands. Okay. Now see. Okay. Now what we do with these body parts? What we do? We do what? I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I hear with the help of my ears. I smell with the help of my nose. I speak with the help of my mouth. My skin helps me to feel things. Just look at the boy. Okay. And I taste. I taste with my tongue. So these are the functions of body part. Function mean what they do. Just like we see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we smell with our nose, we speak with the help of our mouth, and our skin help me to feel things that it is hot or it is cold, and I taste with the help of my tongue. So these are the function of our body parts. Okay. Now look at this page that all our body parts perform different function. Our body has how many sense organs? Our body has five sense organs. These are ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin. So our body has five sense organ. Underline this sentence that our body has five sense organ. These are ears, nose, tongue, and skin. And our skin is the largest body part of our body. Very, very important. So, which is the largest body part? Skin is the largest body part. Understood? GB, be attentive. And Armin, where are you? We should clean our body part regularly and we must care of our body parts. Okay? So, what we learn from the chapter that we have many parts in our body and they are called organs. All our body parts perform different functions. Our body has five sense organs. We must take care of all our body parts. So these are the things that we learn from the chapter. Clear? Okay. Now do one thing. I'm giving you a classwork. Okay. Now do exercise. Do this exercise. Exercise A and B. Do right now. Exercise A and B. Do it now. Exercise A and B. Do now. Exercise A and B. Exercise A and B. Do it now and then I'll ask you the answer. Do it by yourself. I'll not tell you the answer. I'm giving you 10 minutes to do it. Do. Exercise A and B. A and B. Exercise A and B. Do right now. Do fast. GB, what happened? Why are you playing with the paper? I say do the exercise A and B. Do it now. In the meantime, I'm taking attendance. Bornabho. Oh, so if you have completed, you can raise your hand. But in the meantime, I'm taking attendance. Okay? Arohi, do exercise A and B. Very easy. Samprikta. Okay, I'll ask you. I'll ask you. After 5 minutes, I'll ask you. No need to show me the book. Zivik. Okay, good.
Recording in progress.
Arohi Guchait, sit properly. Sit properly so that we can discuss the answer. Okay, Rihan completed. Deepta completed. Okay. Mm, okay. Then, okay. Who will say? Who never? Okay. Shivangni. Shivangni, unmute your device. Shivangni.
Yes, ma'am.
There are many or
Yes,
three.
ma'am.
There are many or three parts in our body. How many parts are there in our body?
Many.
There are
Many.
many parts. Very good. Okay, good. Now. Okay, very good. Okay. Uh, Himadri. Himadri, tell me. Himadri, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Our nose or eyes help us to see.
Eyes.
Very good. Very good, Himadri. Mandeep, unmute your device. What is Mandeep? Mandeep, unmute your device and say,
Ma'am, coach. बोलो. Ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me that our head or tongue help us to taste. Our head or tongue? Tongue. Tongue. Very good. Very good. Keep doing. Acha. Mushina say. Mushina, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
We have legs or teeth in our mouth? Legs. Answer is legs or teeth. What do we have in our mouth?
Teeth.
Teeth. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. Now mute your device. Ayush, tell me. Our head has hair. Our head has hair. True or false? It is true. It is true. Very good. Do you have hair? Do you have?
Yes. Yes.
Show me your hair.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Good. Very good. Yes. Acha, who will say? Who? Shumon. Shumon is looking very tired. Shumon say. Where is Shumon? Yes, Shumon say. Shumon say. We have two noses. We have two noses. Do you have two noses? Do you have? I have. We, we have
এইটা
two
উই হ্যাভ
noses.
টু নোজ তোমার
True
কটা
or
না
false?
হ্যাঁ তাহলে কি হবে না ফলস হবে বলে দাও
No,
আরে
no. F mean
ঠিক আছে
false.
এখানে একটা উই
F
হ্যাভ টু
mean
নোজ মানে
false. F
কি বলবো
mean false. False mean we have two noses. It is written. It's mean no. We have only one nose. False. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next. Sanchayan say.
ইয়েস
Sanchayan,
ম্যাম বলো
tell me question number 3. Tell me question number 3. Question number. Hmm.
one our skin
Hmm.
covers our
Hmm.
body.
Hmm.
True.
True. Yes. Our skin covers our whole body. It is true.
True.
True. Very, very good. Very good. Okay. Welcome. Zubaidul says, Zubaidul, unmute your device. Zubaidul, to unmute. Yes, Zubaidul. Zubaidul,
Yes, miss.
tell me, we have 6 fingers in each hand. It is true or false? Do you have 6 fingers? Do you have 6 finger in your hand? Do you have or not?
No, miss.
No, you don't have. So answer is false. Yes, it is. It is false. So yes, very very good. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. You're most welcome. Arohi Guchai, Arohi say, unmute your device.
বলো yes ma'am বলো
Yes, ma'am. What happened? Are you getting tired? Are you hungry? Little bit tired, yeah, of course. Yes, you must be. What to do? Must be. Okay, so tell me, there are 5 sense organs in our body. It is true or false? There are 5 sense organs in our body. It is true or false? True. Yes, it is true. So true means we will write only T. Very good. Okay. And ma'am একবার mute করে রাখুন না। Mute? হ্যাঁ। কাকে? Mute or unmute? Mute or unmute? Mute. Why? Why? Say. Okay, let her continue. Say. Do you want to keep on mute? Okay. You want to talk to your mother. That's why mute. Acha. So you know now what is mute, what is unmute. Now you know everything. Become a very big girl. Very okay. Okay, good. Acha, now. You are now muted. Now talk too much. You are muted. Okay, Ashna say. Ashna, can you tell me that what are organs? What are organs? What are organs?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, what are organs?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what are organs?
Ear, skin, nose, ear.
Yes, so you should say.
Eyes.
Yeah, you should say our body parts also known as our organ. Our body parts are called organs. Okay?
Ma'am, mute করে রাখো না।
Mute করে রাখবো? I can't understand. Mute or unmute? Mute or unmute? What you are saying? Mute করে রাখুন না। Why? Okay, now more to do. Take the part which is only one in number present in our body. Do it. I'm also doing it for my body. Also do this. Take the part which is only one in number present in our body. Show me. Nose. Take the part which is only one in number. Nose. We have one nose. We have one tongue. Finger, ears, eyes, legs, no. So only nose and tongue. Samprikta, sit down. What are they doing with their legs? Right below each picture. Right below each picture. What they are doing. Do it by yourself. Do. Very easy activity. Do what they are doing with their legs. Who want to say? Bornabo say. Bornabo, tell me. What they are doing? Bornabo, tell me. The first boy. He is running. This boy. Jumping. The girl is
আলিফ বলো
dancing. And the boy is
বয়স
playing. Which activity do you like to do? Dancing, jumping, running, or playing? Okay, very good. Oh,
ম্যাডাম
yes.
হ্যালো
Yes. Tell me. Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
বর্ণাব্য শুধু প্লেই করে না, ও
হুম
কিন্তু প্রচন্ড পরিমাণে মারপিট করে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওকে 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 দেন I need to talk to